welcome to another episode. We are at LAX right now. And we won't tell you where we're going. Just look at the title of the video and figure it out from there. It's our Christmas trip and we're going to keep on keeping on. So we'll be here for 2 weeks traveling. Stick around and find out.
Following guests? There you go. Thank you. There's your flight. Following guests?
They do like 3 checks.
Yeah, they do.
That's a 3rd one already.
Yeah. 10 hours, 15 minutes later, we're here in London for about 6 hours. And then off to another flight for an hour and 44 minutes. Hey guys, we're at the grain store having some breakfast. We're at Gatwick, London Airport, and I have like no sleep on that flight, so I'm pretty tired. But we have a few hours to kill. We're gonna get on another plane for about 2 hours, and then we will be in Nuremberg. Kitchen area, dining room, living room. Look at that, New York. The main bedroom, closets, looks like a heater, a crib for me to sleep in. I'm probably gonna sleep in there. My parents will sleep in here, and then the bathroom, shower, toilet. Yeah. So now we're gonna eat some McDonald's. That's what they had at the airport, and we weren't sure we were gonna find anywhere open. So we got that just in case. Glad we got it. Good morning. It is our first official day here in Germany. It's the morning. It's about 9:30 right now. Usually we sleep late and we wake up a little later than usual. So this is perfect with the time difference. We woke up at 9. Well, no, we woke up way earlier.
You woke up at 7:30.
I woke up at 7:30 for no reason.
We're adjusted to their time zone now. We're sleeping at night, so.
Yeah, it's my parents that woke up later than us. They usually before us, but this time we're up. Like I said, it was 9:30 today. It's 33 degrees outside. We have a tour.
We have a tour coming up
in 2 hours, but for now we're probably gonna catch some breakfast first. So.
Yeah.
So here's the Christmas market, and our apartment is literally like right over there, maybe in the corner. I've literally been walking for like
2-minute walk.
walking for 2 minutes, and it's right here already. Go.
Hi, good morning. So we're at the Nuremberg Christmas market, and I already saw one kind of like famous souvenir here. They're like the prune. I forgot what its name. I forgot the name, but it's like a prune toy. This man doesn't have money, and all he had like was prunes, and so he decided to make prune toys out of it and give the toy to his children, and now it's pretty famous souvenir. To start off, I got like mushrooms with beer batter. Oh no, sorry. That's what I read on the mushrooms with beer, cooked in beer.
And there's
and then there's like a garlic sauce on top.
so we got a baguette because you wanted to try. So good. Look at that.
This is the Christmas holiday punch, and there's an option to put liquor in it. It's a little early for liquor for me. Later. But yeah, it's about €7, but if you give back the cup, you get 3 of it back. It's like a deposit. So But you can also return it at any other booths that also sell the same thing, and I think you can maybe reuse it.
It tastes definitely some like citrus in there, warm citrus drink, and I would say cinnamon is there too.
Oh, yeah.
It's a delightful Christmas drink.
So this Christmas market pretty much opens at 10 a.m. all the way up to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. It's pretty cool. This is the main market square here in Nuremberg.
It's called the Hauptmarkt.
Hauptmarkt. We have a tour, free walking tour that you can book, and the meetup's actually here, right in front of this thing.
Spin it, girlfriend.
You spin it 3 times, it's good luck. Of course, that's not the real ring. The real ring is actually not gold. It's so rusty.
I think the real one is like a black ring, but we can't find it right now because it's probably covered by one of these stalls. Alright, so this is the biggest church here in Nuremberg. It's a Protestant church. There's like a Catholic saint inside the church. I guess for you to become a saint, you need to perform only one miracle.
One miracle.
And they thought about having like a saint here in Nuremberg because I guess the city was poor. They needed more money, so I forgot what he did. But he somehow tricked the Pope to doing a miracle, and then when he died, his grave was put in there, and people are paying money to see the grave.
His body was delivered to the church, but there was no driver.
Oh yeah,
That was a
was a
miracle.
trick. Yeah, so yeah, there's a little history, and also fun fact: there's 4 Christmas markets here in Nuremberg, and now we're going up the hill to see the castle. Nuremberg is so pretty. There's a lot of like bridges here too.
So we're at the 4th marketplace. It's pretty nice. It's almost as nice as the first one.
Yeah,
This is pretty good though.
I think this is for kids. This is like a children's Christmas market because they have like rides, they have carousel, a Ferris wheel, a mini one, and on top of each like wooden stall, they have those animatronics, which is so cool. Yeah, I think this is like catered towards kids. And then this is like, I think the prettiest.
It was a really great tour. It felt like we kind of went around in a circle, so it's like everything is easy accessible. You could visit the whole town pretty easily. It's not too much walking at all. It's pretty good. I'm very happy with it.
This is French fries with curry ketchup. I'm gonna try it. Interesting sauce. Tastes like very sweet curry ketchup. It tastes sweeter than the usual. It's like honey barbecue almost tastes like with curry, but it's pretty good. Pretty interesting.
Just had to get more food, huh? Right here, calamari with their sauce. And then also herring and sandwich.
Alright, so we got a little bit of rest, and now we're going out again to the same market as earlier, the first one. but now we're gonna see it at night, so it's gonna look amazing, right?
So what we have here is the Nuremberg bratwurst with the sauerkraut. So this is like a specialty here in Nuremberg. It can only be called Nuremberg sausages if it's made here. So we'll try it. Pretty good. The sausage is like juicy, and then it's balanced with like the sourness of the sauerkraut, and the saltiness of the sausage are balanced. Pretty good.
So all these stores, they get it from the same place because they all, like Trish said, they all have to be from Nuremberg. They can't sell non-Nuremberg ones. I'm not a mustard man, but the mustard here is really good for some reason. A little different. Not spicy at all. Meat is really nicely cooked. Sauerkraut adds a little dynamic, you know?
Look at this thing. This thing's silly.
Good. It's better if it's warm. Good. Salty pretzel.
So it's the ultimate warrior of pretzels.
We dropped off my parents. They went back to the room, and we're at the market that we were earlier this morning. This is the fourth market earlier? The fourth market, the last one we went to, so.
Alright, we have here a currywurst. Looks like it's sausage with like, I'm not sure what the sauce is. I mean curry with maybe ketchup. Their ketchup is much sweeter here. Notice. I like the balance of the curry ketchup, the sweetness of it with the saltiness of the sausage.
I was originally planning on getting the steak, but I saw someone order this like right before we ordered, and I was like, I want that one. Look at this thing. It's chubby, man. It's chubby. It's like it tastes like a hamburger, but it's like a sausagey patty. You know what I mean? Oh, that's really good, man. Really good. Alright, so we're heading back. That's all we're gonna eat today. Come along tomorrow, see where we go next. Here we are. Alright. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, 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 you.